Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, we are just going to be talking amongst friends. I am in comfy and casual clothes, and we are going to be talking about how I use my luxury bags. And what I mean by that, I actually had a subscriber reach out to me and she said to me, hey, I have a question for you. Can you do a video on what bags you take to the zoo, what bags you take to the grocery store, that type of thing? And I thought that was a good idea, so I thought that I would create a title called How I Use My Luxury Bags. There are so many luxury bags out there to choose from, but sometimes we're like, well, how do I use it? Is that dressy? Is it more casual? How am I supposed to use it? So I thought that I would take a look in my collection. I'm not going to be featuring every single bag, but what I did, I broke it down into a couple categories: travel, date night, wedding, work, weekend, mall, understated, that kind of thing. And I think to myself, what is my go-to bag for each of those categories? Some I might have one or two, and some categories I might only have one. So I thought it would be fun to share with you. Like I said, I always love to hear your suggestions, and that was such a great suggestion because this is something that I often wonder about too. I'm like, oh my gosh, that bag, is it too dressy? Can I wear it casual? Now, of course, like we always say, handbags are personal preference. So if you want to have a casual bag and wear it dressy, by all means, go ahead and do it. But out of my handbag collection, I just wanted to share what I usually do and how I usually wear my bags. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see how I use my luxury bags, then keep watching. Okay, so you might notice I'm filming in a little bit of a different location. I am here in my closet. If you guys have not seen my closet transformation, make sure to check that out. I did my whole entire closet for under $1,000, and it is, of course, the IKEA pack system, but all of my handbags are in this room, so it's just going to be easily accessible for me. So the first category I want to talk about is travel. What bags do I take when I travel? And there are two bags that come to mind, and I always think of Vegas. The first bag I want to mention, and I actually have two, is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM. If there ever was a bag for travel, this is it. This bag is so incredibly great for travel. Usually what I do is I will take this bag to the airport, and then what I would do, I would take a smaller bag and I would put it on the inside, so then that way when we get to our destination, so that I don't have to carry this huge bag, I can just pull that out. It's so great and convenient. I have it in here. I recently got a Zoomoni organizer. These organizers are great. Not sponsored, but if you want to get 20% off, I will put a link down below if you want to get a Zoomoni organizer through December 31st. Not sponsored, not an affiliate link. They were just kind enough to give me 20% off. So anyway, this bag is amazing. You can fit everything but the kitchen sink in here. It is so great. So you might recall I took this on a trip with me to Vegas along with my regular luggage, and you can just put so much. It is the perfect travel bag. I love it. It fits so comfortably under the arm. It is rather large, but it really is true what they say where this bag is never full. And I liked it so much that I actually got two. So I do have the Louis Vuitton. This is the Damier Azur, and I also have it in the monogram with the beautiful pivot interior. And these bags are great because now they all come with a pouch. So if you want to use this to put makeup in when you go on the plane, or chargers or headphones or anything like that, you can use this. But I absolutely love this, which is why for travel, these two are my go-to bags. Now, I do have another bag that a lot of times I use for travel, and this might actually surprise you. And keep in mind, like I said at the beginning, all these bags can be used for however you want, but I just wanted to explain to you how I use them. So the next bag that I use when I'm traveling, and again, I know this comes as a surprise, it is my Chanel wallet on chain in the Caviar. Now, I went to Vegas, and what I would do is I would take my Neverfull and then I put this on the inside. This was great because it's in the Caviar leather. It's very, very durable, so you're not going to have to really worry about getting it scratched or anything like that. I love this bag. Usually what I do is I'll put my phone in there. You can put a card holder. It is just a great, great bag. Usually what I would do is I would wear this when I was shopping, so because it was a crossbody and I had it in front of me, it would be secure, so when we were walking all over the strip, I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, someone grabbing it. And then what I would do is, like, if we would go out at night, you could tuck the chain in and use it as a clutch. So this bag is amazing, and I would just pop it right into my Neverfull. It fit great, no hassle, no fuss, everything. So that's why for travel, the two bags that I love and gravitate towards are the Louis Vuitton Neverfull as well as the Chanel Wallet on Chain in the Caviar. Okay, let's talk about date night. So for date night, there is always a special bag that I always gravitate towards, and it is this one right here. This is my beloved Chanel Classic Flap. I do have it in the lambskin, so it is a little more delicate than caviar leather, but anytime I have a date night with my husband, this is my go-to bag. I recently did do a video as to what fits, and again, I do have a Zoomoni organizer. I found that the interior of my bag was getting dirty, so I used this organizer, and it's done a great job of preserving the interior as well as giving it structure when I'm not using it. But this bag, oh my gosh, you can see it just looks so classic. So you can wear it as a long shoulder. You can also wear it as a short shoulder. It is just a beautifully crafted classic bag that will never go out of style. I got my bag like 10 years ago, and I think it's in great condition. I absolutely love it, but I definitely gravitate towards this bag for date nights, and I have one more bag to share. So this is a more recent purchase. This is a Chanel Wallet on Chain in the Trendy CC in the lambskin. So you can see this has the beautiful plate. So one thing, when I purchased my Chanel Wallet on Chain in the Caviar, one thing I've always wanted is a Chanel walk with the turn lock closure. So the only turn lock closure I was able to get is in the Trendy CC. I wasn't a huge fan of the plate, but the way that I usually carry it is I will put the chain up top, so then that way you can't really see it. I mean, it is beautiful, but I think I would probably prefer it without it. But this is just a beautiful bag. And with this one, it's nice because you can wear it crossbody if you want. Keep in mind, it is a little low crossbody. When I go on a date night, is have the double straps and then have it like that. It's just a perfect date night bag. So usually what I've been doing, if my husband and I go on a date night, most of the time I will carry this little guy, which can hold my essentials, or I will carry my Chanel medium classic flap. These are kind of my special bags. I think because they're lambskin and they're really delicate, I only really carry them every once in a while, but this is another great date night bag. Okay, the next category I want to mention is weddings. What do I reach for weddings? Of course, that is going to be a clutch. And the clutch that I reach for is my Saint Laurent. This is the Uptown clutch. I have it in black with the gold hardware. One thing I do have on my list is I would love to get a nude colored bag, but this clutch is perfect for weddings. Of course, when you go to weddings, you don't need a lot. You can see this one is the beautiful smooth leather. Just has a magnetic button, and you can see I have the iPhone XR, and that fits in there nicely, so you could carry your phone along with a nice card holder. So this is a great bag when going to a wedding, because like I said, you don't need a lot. You don't want to carry a huge bag. You just want a simple clutch that can hold a phone, maybe some lipstick, maybe a card holder. So that's why this is kind of my go-to bag when going to a wedding. Okay, the next bag I want to mention is work. What bag kind of screams work? And the one that I reach for a lot of times when I'm going into the office is, this is one of my favorite bags. It is the Saint Laurent envelope bag. It has this really durable leather. It has the beautiful chain. It has a pocket in the back, which is where you can put your phone. And then it has one large compartment. I'm going to sound like a broken record, but you guys know how much I want this one in the beige or cream color. But the reason I think this is a work bag is not only can it fit a lot, but it's super dressy. So if you're someone that likes to dress up, you go into the office a lot, I would definitely say this is a great bag to have. Now, don't get me wrong, you can certainly, if you're someone that likes to dress up on the weekends, you can wear it on the weekends as well, but I definitely gravitate more towards this bag when I go into the office. I just think it looks so nice for work. So as far as work, this is definitely the bag that I gravitate towards the most. Okay, let's talk about that weekend bag. Let's talk about the bag that is comfortable to wear, that you can fit a lot in, that if I'm gonna go like to the mall or something like that, which bag would I choose? And you guys know it would be the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. I have it in the monogram, and I actually put a bandeau on the vachetta because I have stained the vachetta, which is one of my biggest complaints. But I love this bag. And then I also have it in the empreinte leather. I love both of these. They're also good work bags, but I definitely gravitate towards them on the weekends. Let me just show you an example. Here is the empreinte leather. I love the back pocket. This is where I usually put my phone. And the thing that I love the most about this is it has the accordion style opening, which fits a ton. It has an adjustable strap. It is super, super comfortable to wear. And because it is square and flat, it just sits really nicely on the body. I love this bag so much, you guys. The Pochette Métis for some people is either hit or miss, but for me, it's been a hit. I just love how much you can fit. I love that it has a back pocket. I love that it has an adjustable strap. I love the top handle because it's easy access. This is a great all-around bag. And usually if I'm going to the mall, this is the bag I'll gravitate towards because I can fit so much, and I really love the fact that it has a back pocket because it's easy access for my phone. Okay, now let's talk about an understated casual bag. Let's say I'm going someplace on the weekends and I don't really want to like scream Louis Vuitton. I just want something that's comfortable to wear, understated, not like too in your face. So the bag that I would choose is my Gucci Soho Disco bag. So even though it has the Gucci logo here, because it is in all black, I feel like it's really understated. This bag is so comfortable to wear because of the soft leather, and it fits a ton. You guys know I have done a ton of videos on this. It can fit so much. My only complaint is the interior. You guys know that I had a pen that was open, so I did get some ink on the interior, but one of my subscribers said, well, why don't you get a bag organizer? So I might end up getting a bag organizer for this, but this has an adjustable strap. It is just so comfortable to wear. I love this bag, but see what I mean, how it's like understated? So you know I'm very casual today. If I were to take this out, I think it would look great. It's not like too in your face. So if I want like a comfortable, very understated bag that's not in your face, I would definitely gravitate towards my Gucci Soho Disco bag. This is a different day because I could not believe I forgot to include this bag. This is one of my favorite bags, and this is going to fall in the understated category. So you guys know that I mentioned my Gucci Soho Disco bag as an understated bag that I love to wear. Well, I cannot forget to mention my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I love this bag for so many reasons, but if you want to go somewhere and you just want an understated bag, I would say this is a great bag to own because it's in the Damier Ebene. It doesn't have like the Louis Vuitton logos all over that are like really flashy in your face. This bag is tiny. It has the cute bowling bag style, and it can fit a ton. You guys know I've done a ton of videos on this, but I love this bag. I wear this a lot on the weekends. You can just see how cute and comfortable it is. I love that it fits a ton, but again, very understated. It's not in your face. So along with the Gucci Soho, I also wanted to include this one because I cannot believe I forgot to mention it, because you guys know how much I love this. My only complaint with this is that it doesn't have an adjustable strap, which can be a little problematic, you know, because we are all at different heights. So it's nice to have adjustable straps, but it does come with feet. It has a really smooth zipper, and then again, I love the bowling bag style. It fits all of your essentials. So this is a great bag. So I had to hop on here and share this one with you as well. Okay, the next category I want to talk about is lunch with friends. So when you go on a lunch with friends, it's kind of more like dressy casual. So I kind of have two bags that I gravitate towards if I go out with friends. The first bag is, this is my Saint Laurent medium Lulu bag. I really enjoy this bag. I definitely feel like it's more of like a casual dressy bag, if that makes sense. Usually I'll wear it like this. I'll wear it with a pair of jeans and a sweater. The leather is really plush. You can fit a lot. I currently have it stuffed at the moment, but there are two pockets. It's fit a lot. I've definitely done a comparison video, I think, between this and the small Lulu, but I love this for like a casual dressy bag with a sweater and jeans. And then the next bag that I like to wear for casual dressy is my Saint Laurent camera bag. I love it so much. So I don't have it at the moment. It is actually in my husband's vehicle and he is not here at the moment, so I don't have it here to show. But what I will do, I will kind of insert either a picture or a clip so you can see what it looks like. But this is it's casual, it's comfortable, it fits a lot, but yet it's still kind of dressy too. Love that camera bag. It's probably one of my favorite crossbody bags. If you guys are on the fence about that, don't be. It's such a good bag, so much so that I am considering getting it in another color. So we will see. Stay tuned. Now, the bag I want to talk about is a bag that I don't really reach for that much. But if I want to wear like a pencil skirt and I'm going to a business meeting where I have to like really dress up, or I'm going to a business event and I really want to try to look professional, the bag I gravitate towards is my Lady Dior. Oh my gosh, how stunningly beautiful is this bag? Obviously Princess Diana is what made this bag so fabulous and so classy. It is not the most comfortable to wear. It can have a tendency to feel a little heavy. It's not the easiest to get into, but it is just such a beautiful bag. So if I really want to have that chic, dressed up business look, this is what I go for. I just think it looks so good with a pencil skirt and a button-down shirt. So this bag, along with the Saint Laurent envelope bag, looks so good when you dress them up with a pencil skirt. But this is definitely like my go-to when it comes to wanting to look really nice for a business event. Okay, the next bag I want to mention, and this is the final bag that I want to mention today, and it's more so dressy casual. Now, I know I mentioned understated casual and like lunch with friends, but now I want to talk about a bag that surprisingly I have really gravitated towards. So like, even if I'm in like a casual outfit, and I will insert pics so you can see what I mean, this just looks really good. And I'm talking about the Louis Vuitton Locky BB. I think because it has the black and the monogram, you can either take it to a casual level or a dressy level. It has the lock, which some people can be a little intimidated by, but I don't mind it. I absolutely love it. And let me show you what I mean. So again, I have a very casual outfit on today, but you can see, even if I'm wearing it, like I feel like I can pull it off because of the monogram. It's not like super dressy, and I love it has an adjustable strap and it fits a lot. It's actually my go-to bag. So let's do a little what's in my bag and see what's in here. You'll see how much it fits. I have my key pouch, which I keep a major credit card and my ID on, and my keys. I have my trusty round coin purse right here. I love this. I have a bunch of coins, and I also have some little perfume samples. I also have my Rosalie. Love this, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do a current favorite, and you know this is probably going to be featured again. It's one of my favorite compact wallets. I have some emergency tampons because you just never know. And then I also have some hand sanitizer. So this is actually the bag that I'm using right now. If there's a day I want to dress up a little more, I can grab it. If there's a day like today, like, you know, this evening we'll be going to hockey practice, I'll grab it. I don't know what it is. I just love this bag, and I really think you can dress it up or dress it down. So I hope you enjoyed. Of course, I didn't include all of my bags that I own, but I just wanted to look at a couple categories and tell you that lately what I've been gravitating towards. In no means does this mean that these are like my favorite bags, but just when I think of these categories, these are the bags in my collection that I go towards. But of course, like anything, handbags are a personal choice, so feel free to wear any of these bags however you want. This is just how I've been using them. Like usual, I will be sure to link all the bags down below in the event you see something that piques your interest and you want to treat yourself. I try to do that in all of my videos, and I will also link some of my previous videos, and make sure you guys are entered to win that Zoomoni organizer. The giveaway ends on October 20th. I'm giving away one organizer to one lucky winner. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and remember what I always tell you, to always be kind. Have a good one, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch.